Changing the spark plugs in a Honda 3.5 V6 in a Honda Ridgeline, Pilot, or Odyssey isn't particularly hard, but there's a couple of little things that I'd like to point out. There's all kinds of videos on the web. I'm not going to show the whole procedure. I'm going to hit some highlights and what I think is the most important thing and the hardest thing with regard to changing plugs on these motors. So of course first you take the big plastic goofy cover off and etc. But you can watch the other videos for that kind of stuff. There's 3 cylinders on the front here, and there's 3 way back there down in the back. These ones are easier to do, those ones are harder to do. But basically it involves taking out the hex. There's a little hex 6mm kind of Allen key hex to get the plug out. So you pull that off, push on the coil connector here and pop that off. The coil will then pull out, and all that stuff is really cool and really easy, and you can look at that on all the other videos. That's boring, but the point of this video is to show, in my opinion, what the other videos don't show that well, is how you get the damn plug out. So the easiest way is to have 2 short extensions and a spark plug socket. So these are like 3.5-inch extensions, 2 of them, and a standard 5/8 spark plug socket. And the reason you need this is because it's quite tight, especially in the back, but even in the front, because you have the fan and everything to deal with. So you really can have a longer extension than the small 3.5-inch. So if we look at, right now I'm doing the middle back plug, which is right back here. So I've taken out I've taken the Allen 6mm bolt out. I've pulled the plug out, and there's the hole right there. So the only way, because it's very tight back here, you can't get much in there. You need this little 3.5-inch to just drop the socket back in, and then you get your other 3.5 here, and you can put that on top. You can see the first 3.5 is there. Boom, that's there. And then with that, you're able to get a ratchet. See, there's lots of space there to get a ratchet. I've got the 6mm on there now, but you can get a ratchet on there and crank it out. So that's kind of the thing. Use 2 small extensions. You'll be able to get in there with the first extension, then add a second extension on your ratchet and crank it out. And same thing going back in, put your new plug in the spark plug socket with 1 extension, drop it in, push the second extension on top, thread the plug in by hand until it's tight, and then you'll have lots of room back there to put your ratchet on, and then crank it tight, not too tight. That's a topic for another video in terms of tightness, but 2 3.5-inch extensions I think is the key to this whole Ridgeline, Honda Pilot, Honda Odyssey spark plug replacement. It's not that hard, but if you don't have the 2 short extensions, it's just about impossible. So hopefully this adds some value to the web, and if you like this, like and subscribe.